Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. If you are looking for an exchange program in USA fully funded, then this is a very good opportunity, so you must avail this opportunity. So let's have a look on this program. Global U Grade Exchange Program 2022 in USA. That is a fully funded program. The most prestigious Global U-Grade Exchange Program 2022 United States is now open and accepting application. The Global U-Grade is a fully funded semester exchange program. Participants will spend approximately 4 to 5 months in the USA. Global Grade is like a cultural exchange program. You people don't need any Irish TOEFL exam, and also you don't need work experience. All the expenses will be covered by USA government. The program is fully funded by the US Department of State and administered by World Learning. All the participants will be able to experience the US educational system, share their culture and explore US culture and values. World Learning has provided this opportunity to over 2,500 global U-grade students. Approximately 250 participants will be selected. The aim of Global U-Grade Culture Exchange Program is to promote a mutual understanding between the people of the United States and the people of other nationalities. Some details about the Global U-Grade Exchange Program. The country hosted is the United States of America, and the total duration of this exchange program is to 4 to 5 months. The number of students is approximately 250 students, so this is a good opportunity for undergraduate students to apply for this exchange program. Award is fully funded and the deadline is 6 January 2022. So the most important is deadline. So you must have to set a reminder on your mobile phone to apply for this exchange program as soon as possible. Global U-Grade financial benefits are: the Global U-Grade Exchange Program is a fully funded program by World Learning. All the expenses will be covered, which are given below. Your cultural integration, J1 visa including issuing, full tuition fee and fees, campus housing, a meal plan, modest monthly stipend, round-trip flight ticket. Eligibility countries are Albania, Algeria, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Belarus, Bosnia-Herzegovina, Burma. Burma is the new name of Myanmar, and Cambodia, China, Costa Rica, Dominican Republic, Egypt, El Salvador, Ethiopia, Georgia, Guatemala, Haiti, Honduras, India, Indonesia, Israel, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Kosovo, Kuwait, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Lebanon, Macedonia, Malawi, Malaysia, Maldives, Mauritania, Moldova, Mongolia, Montenegro, Morocco, Mozambique, Nepal, Nicaragua, Niger, North Macedonia, Palestine, territories West Bank and Gaza, Panama, Paraguay, Philippines, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Serbia, South Korea, Sri Lanka, Tajikistan, Thailand, Turkmenistan, Ukraine, Uzbekistan, Venezuela, Vietnam, Zimbabwe. These are all the countries who are eligible for this exchange program. If you hold nationality of this country, then you can apply for this USA fully funded exchange program. The eligibility criteria: over 18 years of age are eligible for this program. A citizen of a U-grade participating country currently resident in that country. Enrolled as an undergraduate in a good standing at any accredited university, public or private, and has at least one semester remaining at the home university at the conclusion of the U-grade program. Completed secondary education in their home country. A solid command of written and spoken English language training for some finalists is possible. Eligible to receive and maintain the U.S. student exchange visa, J1 required for the program. Cleared by a physician to participate in the program. Committed to returning to their home country after the completion of the program. So deadline is 6 January 2022. So guys, please don't waste your time. If you are undergraduate student and looking for an opportunity, a fully funded program in US. You must have to avail this opportunity. So let's have a look on visit to the official website of this program. So if you are a new user, then you have to first of all sign up here. So you have written here your email address, your password here. So guys, after written your password and confirm password, you have to sign up simply and create a student profile to get started this. So first of all, you have to create your profile. First your first name Muhammad, your last name Shahzad, and your date of birth. This is my date of birth. After that, email address. In this way you can create your profile. So let's start from here. Get started. Yes, Muhammad Shahzad, but my profile is completed. So there are 22 days remaining to submit this. When I'm making this video, today is 15 December. So let's have a look on here. Global UGrade application. If you are not started that section, please click to open button to right. Yes, open here. Yes, eligibility check. Which program are you applying for? Global undergraduate exchange program. You global undergraduate exchange program. Are you citizen? No. Are you an aspiring leader with a citizen in one of the following country below? Yes. I'm from Pakistan and will be 18 years old by August 2022. Yes. Are you full-time undergraduate student in your country of citizenship? Yes. Will have at least one semester of university remain after my? Yes. Can you communication in English? Yes. Are you committed to serving your community? Yes. Why not? Sure, I will come back. Thank you for completing your eligibility check. You are qualified to apply. Please continue to the main application. Yes, I consent to the collection, storage, and processing of my personal data mentioned the Global UGrade program application and its attachment by the World Learning, the U.S. Embassy, Fulbright Commission, and the U.S. Department of System. You have written your first name here, your application first name here, your middle name, your last name, and the same information. This is a very simple information you have to simply put, because I am not going to put my information. I just have to tell you that how you can apply for this exchange program. I think you understand. So here you have to put your contact information, simply your emergency contact number, your academic information. After that, contact information for your faculty reference. You have to put your reference as well. Here your English proficiency. Okay, and tell us about your interest, hobbies, community service. You have to tell here, describe your commitment to your community. You have to write an essay here. After that, the following documents are required to complete your application. So you have to put all the documents here. Select a file. Okay, personal letter of recommendation, for photocopy of your passport. If you don't have any passport, then you have to put your government issued ID card here. If your transcript, you can and your portfolio, and after that you have to mark complete it. And after that, after completing all the information, this you have to simply submit. Guys, hope so you enjoy this video and you are now well aware how you can apply for this USA fully funded exchange program 2022. Thank you so much guys watching for this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting scholarship program or exchange program or an internship program. Thank you so much guys. Allah Hafiz. Take care.